Okay, I am running the video portion of this camera now. I'm going to walk over and give a little dissertation. I have already run this engine to try to get the low speed and the high speed jets or needles properly adjusted so it would run properly, which I did, I think, fairly well. However, I'm not very impressed with how this engine runs. I have same size engines from different manufacturers that run a lot better than this one. In fact, I'm going to try to get one of those running this afternoon. Anyway, so at this point, I will go ahead and start this thing up so you can see what's going on. Let's see, I got to give a little gas. There we go. Turn on the ignition. Grab my starter. And we should be going here pretty quick.